Hello guys, another video from my car as every Saturday, and today I want to talk about a thing I've noticed pretty recently, that career of every developer comes as a spiral, including my own, including others. So at some point you feel like you know nothing. For example, you're starting a new job, you're starting to learn a new framework, you're starting to learn a new tool, you're starting with coding in general. At all those times, you feel like you know nothing, you're starting at the beginning, you are confused and kind of scared, what if you fail and stuff like that. But then, slowly, you learn something more, and you get familiar with your current job, your current position, your current project, your current tools, and stuff like that. And then, at some point, you may feel like you know everything. You become expert in Laravel, in Vue.js, in Filament, or whatever. You start consulting others, you start helping others, you start maybe releasing your own projects and courses and YouTube videos. You feel like an expert. And you are, rightfully so, until you get a new challenge. New version of the same project, new job opportunity, new team, new programming language maybe, new framework maybe, and there are constantly new frameworks appearing on the web, especially these days. Maybe totally new thing like working with AI, for example. And then, guess what? You know nothing again. And then again, you're confused, you're scared, and the spiral continues. The only thing that with every that new step, with every new circle of growth, you become just generally more confident in your skills. So you learn how to learn, you learn how to adapt to changes, you just grow as a person on a personal level, and it gets easier for you, although it seems hard day by day. So my video is mostly for those of you who are in the situation of knowing nothing or in the beginning of your path with some tool or at some job position or something like that. Don't be discouraged, don't be scared, just do your job daily. Try to start with smaller things, then grow bigger, and at some point you will maybe learn everything. Or at least you would feel that way, which is not entirely true. We're all beginners at something. At some point I was a beginner at shooting videos, but after 1000 videos it becomes easier. Still hard, but easier. So I hope with this motivation I will encourage you to grow in your career and as a person. That's it for this time, and see you guys in other videos.